Did you know that black beans are one of the most protein-rich plant foods on the planet? It's a fact that might make you do a double take, but it's true. These humble legumes are a powerhouse of nutrition, especially when it comes to protein. Let's put this into perspective. When we think of plant-based protein, foods like tofu, lentils, quinoa, and almonds might come to mind. They're all great sources, no doubt. But black beans? They're in a league of their own. In a single cup of cooked black beans, there are about 15 grams of protein. That's more than what you'd get from 2 large boiled eggs. But it doesn't stop there. Black beans are not just rich in protein. They're what we call a complete protein. Now, you might be wondering, what's a complete protein? Well, in the world of nutrition, a complete protein is a food that contains all 9 essential amino acids. These are the building blocks of protein that our bodies can't produce on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. Most complete proteins are animal-based. Think meat, fish, dairy. But black beans, they're an exception to the rule, a plant-based food that offers a complete protein profile. This makes them an excellent choice, especially for those who follow a vegetarian or vegan lifestyle. But even if you're not plant-based, there's a place for black beans in your diet. They're not just packed with protein, they're also low in fat, high in fiber, and loaded with vitamins and minerals. Talk about a nutritional powerhouse. So the next time someone asks you where you get your protein from, just say black beans. Not only will you be sharing a fun fact, but you might also challenge some misconceptions about plant-based protein sources. Because, as it turns out, black beans are so much more than a tasty addition to your burrito. They're a nutritional powerhouse, an unexpected hero in the world of healthy eating. Black beans aren't just a protein powerhouse, they're a health titan too. This humble legume, a staple in many cuisines worldwide, can work wonders on your overall well-being. Let's start with the basics. Black beans are chock full of fiber. A single cup can provide almost half of your daily fiber needs. This isn't just any fiber, mind you. It's soluble fiber, which helps control your blood sugar levels, keeping those pesky mid-afternoon crashes at bay. This makes black beans an excellent choice for people managing diabetes, or anyone looking to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. But the goodness doesn't stop there. Black beans have a low glycemic index. This means they release their energy slowly, keeping you fuller for longer. This is great news for anyone aiming to maintain a healthy weight, as it can help curb overeating and mindless snacking. Now, let's talk antioxidants. Black beans are loaded with these little health heroes. They help fight off harmful free radicals in your body, reducing your risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health. Regular consumption of black beans can even support heart health. They are rich in heart-healthy nutrients like magnesium and folate, which can help lower blood pressure and keep your heart ticking along just fine. What's more, black beans are a source of essential vitamins and minerals, including iron and vitamin B6. Iron is crucial for producing red blood cells and preventing anemia, while vitamin B6 plays a key role in brain development and function. To top it all off, black beans are naturally low in fat and free from harmful saturated and trans fats. This makes them a fantastic option for those looking to maintain a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. To put it simply, black beans are a nutritional powerhouse. They're versatile, affordable, and, above all, incredibly good for you. So next time you're planning your meals, why not consider adding a handful of these amazing beans to the mix? Who knew that such a small bean could pack such a huge health punch? What if we told you that black beans could help save the planet? Yes, you heard it right. These little powerhouses are not just nutritional gems, but they're also champions of sustainable agriculture. In the grand scheme of agriculture, black beans play a critical role in maintaining the health of our soils. They belong to a family of plants known as legumes. Now, legumes have this amazing ability to enrich the soil with nitrogen, a nutrient that's vital for the growth of other plants. They do so through a process called nitrogen fixation, where they convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use. So, by growing black beans, farmers can reduce their reliance on synthetic fertilizers, which are often associated with environmental harm due to their contribution to water and air pollution. But the sustainable benefits of black beans don't stop at nitrogen fixation. They're also champions when it comes to water conservation. We all know that water is a precious resource, and it's crucial that we use it wisely. When we compare the water footprint of black beans to that of animal-based proteins, it's clear that black beans are the more sustainable choice. You see, producing 1 kilogram of black beans requires significantly less water than producing the same amount of animal protein. This is because beans are directly harvested from the field, while animals need to be fed, with plants that also require water to grow. It's a simple equation: less water used equals less strain on our planet's resources. So, the next time you're pondering over what to cook for dinner, remember this. Choosing black beans is not only a decision that benefits your health, but it's also a step towards a more sustainable future for our planet. The eco-friendly benefits of black beans don't stop at the farm. Their long shelf life and easy transport make them sustainable from start to finish, which means less energy is needed to get them from the field to your plate. Eating black beans isn't just good for you, it's good for our planet too. So let's embrace these powerful legumes and make them a staple in our diets. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Now that you know all about the benefits of black beans, how can you add them to your meals? Let's start with the basics. Black beans are incredibly versatile. They're like the chameleon of the culinary world, effortlessly blending into a variety of dishes. From savory to sweet, breakfast to dinner, there's a place for black beans in every meal. For breakfast, consider a black bean scramble. Just sauté some onions and bell peppers, add in your black beans, and then scramble in your eggs. It's a protein-packed start to your day. Lunchtime calls for a hearty black bean soup. It's as simple as simmering black beans with some vegetables and spices. You can even blend it for a creamy texture. Combine this with a slice of whole grain bread and you've got a balanced meal. Dinner is where black beans truly shine. They can be the star of the show in a vegetarian chili or a supporting actor in a chicken enchilada. They can even play a cameo in a salad, adding a punch of protein and fiber. But don't limit black beans to just savory dishes. They can be a surprising addition to sweet treats too. Have you ever tried black bean brownies? They're deliciously fudgy and packed with nutrients. And the best part is, you can't taste the beans at all. You can even use black beans as a healthier substitute in baking. Puree them and use them in place of flour or butter. It's a clever way to sneak in some nutrients into your favorite desserts. Don't forget about snacks. Roasted black beans make for a crunchy, protein-rich snack. Or you can mash them up and make a black bean dip. It's perfect for those mid-afternoon cravings. And there you have it. From savory to sweet, main courses to desserts, black beans can easily find their way into your meals. They're not just a nutritional powerhouse, but a culinary one too. With so many ways to enjoy them, it's easy to make black beans a staple in your diet. We've covered a lot today, so let's do a quick recap. In our journey to uncover the truth about black beans, we've discovered that they're not just a staple in various cuisines around the world, but they pack a punch when it comes to nutritional value. These humble legumes are a powerhouse of protein, making them a fantastic choice for those seeking plant-based alternatives. They are also a rich source of dietary fiber, which can aid in digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, which can play an important role in managing weight. We've also learned about the many health benefits that black beans offer. They're rich in antioxidants, which help combat harmful free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Their high iron content can help prevent anemia and boost energy levels, while their impressive potassium levels can contribute to maintaining a healthy blood pressure. But the goodness of black beans doesn't stop at their health benefits. We've also delved into their positive impact on the environment. As part of the legume family, black beans enrich the soil with nitrogen, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers and promoting sustainable agriculture. They require less water and energy to grow than many other protein sources, making them an eco-friendly choice. We've also offered some tips on how to incorporate black beans into your daily meals. From adding them to salads and soups, to using them in baking or making them the star of your main course, there are countless ways to enjoy these nutrient-dense legumes. So there you have it. Black beans are more than just a side dish. They're a superfood that's good for you and the planet. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please share, like, and subscribe.